Okay, this is a bit of an interesting situation for the cube. You can see there's one side finished, but you can see on these sides there is a pattern emerging. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So to complete the cube, from a situation like this, you do have to, break up the two completed sides, because there are certain, squares, cubes, whatever, in the wrong position, and it can be done in relatively few moves, which I will show you now. Actually, let's see. So you can see now looks pretty well jumbled up, but in a minute you will see the cube will be complete. Getting there slowly. And there we are. One completed cube.